back, my YouTube friends and family, and happy Tuesday. I hope everyone who celebrated the Labor Day holiday had a fabulous time with friends and family. You were safe and you just enjoyed yourself. But this is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. In today's video, we have some medical billing jobs. We have some iHeartRadio or iHeartMedia is what they are called now. We have Kohls, so we are going to dive all in. As always, if you need links to any of these pages to read reviews on these companies, get those applications in, or timestamps, all additional information is always in the YouTube description box below this video. I do just want to say though that if you're new here, welcome. This channel searches all of the job boards daily, trying to weed out all the scams and find just the best remote work from home jobs that are hiring right now and sharing them with you on a daily basis, Monday through Friday. So make sure you're subscribed, have those YouTube notifications turned on so you never miss out on another job that is hiring work from home. Now, first off, we have the company Anywhere. This is a real estate company. They are like Anywhere Real Estate. They are based out of New Jersey. They have 99 reviews from past and current employees with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.5 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a transaction processor. Now, this is remote work from home in the U.S. based. All the jobs that I'm sharing are going to be for the United States only. That is where my job expertise lies. But they are basically looking for somebody to review and upload documentation for proper recording and placement in their system. You're going to manage the intake of documentation, organize new transactions in their computer system, completing change or correction requests from the branch offices in a timely manner based on a set of expectations you're going to be given. So you are going to be on the phone some. You're going to provide that customer support to the sales agents and branch office staff for this real estate agency, making sure that all of the transactions and documentation that they need to close the deal is in the system and correct. Now, they do prefer somebody who has an associate's degree, but it says they will take equivalent work experience over that. Now, if you have real estate or mortgage industry experience, that is also a plus and will get you to the top of the line. Not required, though, as long as you're proficient in using a computer, navigating around multiple computer systems, specifically like those Microsoft Office systems. You have strong communication skills. You can multitask and manage different priorities. And of course, be very organized with great attention to detail. Now, pay is listed all the way down at the bottom. It's anywhere from $20 an hour up to $23 an hour. Now, next up, we have iHeartMedia hiring. Now, iHeartMedia has 2,800 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.3 out of 5 stars. They are looking for an RCS product support specialist. This is remote virtual for the United States. Now, please note this was posted about a week and a half, almost 2 weeks ago. So they are probably getting a lot of applications at this point. So if you're interested in this one, please go ahead and don't waste any time. I would go ahead and get that application in ASAP. But they are looking for somebody to basically be like tech support for them. You're going to answer questions for like software clock building, audio cards, network infrastructure, and their SQL database. So you're answering these phone calls or emails that are coming in a timely manner. And of course, just like all kind of like customer or product support specialists, you're going to document your interactions with the customers into the system, providing answers by identifying their problems, researching their answers or researching the answers for them through the computer system, and then guiding them through the corrective steps. You're going to work with your colleagues and coworkers in troubleshooting problems in software, hardware, networks, and the systems that they're having. So you will be writing up some technical documentation to help people follow steps, repair software defects, and deliver enhancements. So this is going to be like a tech support position. Now, they don't require any kind of a college degree, but they are looking for somebody who has experience in radio, IT, or some kind of engineering environment and has knowledge of broadcast software like G Selector, Zeta, NextGen, things like that. Of course, you've got to have great customer service, somebody who can prioritize things, somebody who is a problem solver. You can troubleshoot and investigate issues. And of course, if you are bilingual, that's a plus. I might get you to the top of the line for an interview, but pay for this one is anywhere from $23.07 an hour up to $28.84 an hour. Now, next up, we have Moodle. They are an education type company. So if you've got experience in the education space, you've been a teacher or something like that, this one might be great for you. They have 37 reviews from past and current employees, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.9 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a community coordinator. Now, Moodle is like an online education online academy, and they are looking for somebody to engage with that community on that online academy and the Moodle qualification program. You'll create and maintain free resources such as webinars, online courses, documentation, video tutorials, collaborating with the community sites and the marketing team to test, document, and promote features of the Moodle release, the different classes that they're offering, things like that. You'll provide training and support materials for partners for each new major release of the software training platform, and you'll design, maintain, and facilitate and update their academy courses as well, testing the upgrades for the academy. So they really are looking for somebody who has teaching or training qualification or 5 years experience using Moodle in a teaching or training environment. So if you've ever used the platform yourself or you have qualifications in teaching or training, somebody who will become an expert so you can learn very quickly and become an expert on the system itself. You've designed like online classes or something like that. Somebody who is willing to engage on a daily basis with the community online and otherwise, and somebody who can work independently as well as a team, so you've got great communication skills. Now, sadly, this one did not list pay in the job description. I don't work for any of these companies. Pay will need to be discussed with them at the time of the interview. Now, of course, I'm always looking for a fun one or something a little bit different to throw in, so I thought, why not? Kohls is hiring, the retail store. They have 20,000 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.4 out of 5 stars. Now, this one is not like a standard customer service or anything. It is a remote operations center investigator. Now, please note they do not list, it does say this is a remote work from home position. However, they don't list if they have only certain locations or states that they hire in. So please know I only have the information that is in the job posting. However, I just thought this one was neat. They are looking for somebody to be their primary contact for store teams and their team's loss prevention for assisting the stores in loss prevention. So if you think about it, in the old times, you would have those closed captions TVs, those TV surveillance systems, where somebody would be in the back of the store watching those surveillance systems or whatever, seeing if people were trying to steal merchandise or anything out of the store. I'm not sure that you can't, in today's technology world, monitor those remotely. So they are looking for somebody to assist the stores and the loss prevention teams and store management teams with these surveillance systems, reviewing suspected shoplifters. You'll review disposition events which could negatively impact all over a business, weather, fires, or significant other events. So maybe if a tornado is coming through the area, you monitor those cameras for the store, making sure that there's no damage to the store. You'll just become a subject matter expert around shoplifter behavior and Kohls guidelines, guiding store associates with the proper actions that they need to take in regards to potential fraud or loss. So you're going to independently identify incidents or associate fraud and theft activity through data analysis and other investigative sources. You'll also answer calls for like alarm monitoring centers going off. So maybe a fire alarm or any other alarm going off, like a theft alarm. So you're just handling incoming calls from stores for suspected credit card fraud or any kind of fraud like that. So you will be on the phone, but not with Kohls customers. You'll be on the phone with stores, the people that work there, and management. Now, best thing about this, they don't require any kind of college degree, just a high school diploma or GED, somebody who is a multitasker, has great attention to detail, somebody who can be a problem solver and make decisions quickly so you're assertive and persuasive. Now, they do prefer somebody who has a prior retail experience or loss prevention experience. That is not required, though it is just a preference. However, you do need to be available to work a flexible schedule, maybe some nights and weekends. And again, this one did not list pay that I saw. That will need to be discussed with them at the time of the interview. If you're more interested in like healthcare billing, Savista is hiring. They have 119 reviews with an overall rating of 3.5 out of 5 stars. And they are looking for a billing specialist, again, remote for the United States. And so their billing specialist is just making sure that their professional medical claims get billed out correctly to the insurance companies. And they're really looking for somebody to make sure that these claims get paid by the insurance companies. You're there to collect the money. So you're going to utilize their different hospital and physician systems, verifying patient information, billing information, and claim information, making sure it is all accurate, and you'll perform primary and secondary billing functions, which can include electronic, paper, or online portal submissions to the insurance companies. You'll edit claim information to satisfy billing compliance guidelines as needed, and respond timely to email or telephone messages as appropriate. So you are basically just checking to make sure these claims are correct when they go out to the insurance companies. And if the insurance company doesn't pay them, you are doing what you can. You're contacting the insurance company or looking online to see why they didn't pay or rejected the claim, and see if there's anything you can do to update it and fix it so that they can pay it. So maybe there's missing information, missing authorization or control numbers, and you need to put those on the claim and send it back out. Update the patient's insurance information and demographics. Maybe you need to send medical records and medical documentation, things that you'll just get any information to the insurance company that they need to pay the claim. Now, they are requiring someone who has 2 years of experience in some kind of medical collections or billing, somebody who knows basic medical terminology like ICD-10 codes, CPT codes, you know how to bill to insurance companies, you're familiar with insurance billing forms like the 1500 form or the CMS 1500 form for like physician claims, the UB04 form for like facility claims. And of course, you've got to be able to navigate around a computer, use basic software systems like Microsoft Word and Excel. Pay for this position is anywhere from $17 an hour up to $21 an hour. Now, last but not least, I seen a comment recently. Somebody was looking for like pharmacy or pharmacy tech positions that did not require an actual pharmacy tech certification. Sometimes those are very hard to come by, but this one might meet your needs. So again, as always, I never make any promises, but if you have something very specific that you're looking for, always feel free to leave that in the comments, because I do read those and keep that in mind. And if I ever come across anything, I will share it. So PharMerica, they are part of Bright Spring Health Services. They are hiring. They have 659 reviews on Glassdoor. They do have a little bit lower employee satisfaction rating, though. It comes in kind of right in the middle at 2.7 out of 5 stars. So some people love them, some people hate them. But they are looking for a remote work from home pharmacy specialist. Now, it does say you can work anywhere in the United States. However, they are looking for somebody to work 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you're outside of that time zone, please convert your hours to see if that works for you. And I think one reason this one doesn't require a pharmacy tech license is because it's more on the billing side of things. You're going to manage and identify a portfolio of rejected pharmacy claims that are rejected from insurance companies and pay a reimbursement, and just research, analyze, resolve any of these rejected claims by working with national Medicare plans or those third-party insurance companies like Blue Cross, United Healthcare, anything like that. And just making sure that you get approval of claims by performing any edits or reversals as needed. So you're monitoring and resolving risk revenue associated with payer setup, billing, rebilling, reversals, things like that. Now, while they prefer some kind of higher education degree, like an associate's or bachelor's, it's not required. What is required is a high school diploma or GED, somebody who has some customer service skills, somebody who has 1 year of experience, related experience in a pharmacy or pharmacy tech experience. Now, they do prefer somebody who has a pharmacy technician license. So if you have one, that might get you to the top of the line for an interview, but it is not required. They specifically state that. Now, sadly, one thing about this job is they did not list pay. That'll need to be discussed with them at the time of the interview. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, again, feel free to leave in the comments anything that you're looking for. If you enjoyed anything that I shared, let me know. Give this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.